Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. We are back with another episode review of Izingane Temple. So, on this episode, it started with Umpumelelo taking Amahle out to go bowling. So, this is their first time meeting after Umpumelelo went to Amahle's home to pay for her lobola. Well, to start with ingxoxo zelobolo. So now uthi seke ngambiza as Useni Makoti, which means his fiance. So Umpumelelo also wanted to talk about some issues that they have encountered and what he actually hopes of this Isithembu that he is starting. So he says that he wants to address the squabbles between Utirelo and Amahle, and he takes accountability and says that he knows that he is the one that started this whole ungavani between them. So he explains that he had a fight with Utirelo, and then Utirelo decided to take her frustrations out on Amahle, and we're also shown a conversation Katirelo and Amahle on WhatsApp. So Utirelo sent Amahle a WhatsApp saying that since me and Umpumelelo broke up, since he broke up with me, please tell him that it doesn't mean that he should not take care of his son, which is Usingabako. But Amahle wathi, no, baby girl, who am I to talk about indaba zakho noMpumelelo kuMpumelelo? As you said, are your group assignment land. So you sort out your issues when now I'll concentrate on a relationship yam noMpumelelo. Then Utirelo waphinda wabhala ke isixhobo semessage uba, well, I understand that I was wrong. I was just frustrated and I shouldn't have taken out my frustrations on you. So I'm sorry, I'm sorry for that. But again, your response, it seems as if I was right when I said that when uzobhidliza apha, you're not sincere and all that. But Amahle wathi angizingeni mina. The way I responded is how we were now watch ba ayo group assignment land umuntu makajonge indaba zakhe. And of which it actually is really obviously all over social media. And people are having Utirelo baye ugirl wayegowa eMoruga and she decided to go ayothetha no Amahle. Of which ke lento yayisenzeka mos nakuyo noVuyo but enguye umstress back then. Now zijika ngayo. And another thing is that Umpumelelo Achuba, that's the main reason. So now he hopes that they can just squash whatever beef they have with each other because Tirolo will also be umkaki. He wants to pay ilobola for Utiro as well, just like he already started with Amahle. He wants them both in his life as Omakoti Baki. So they shouldn't be fighting, they should try and be united, unity. I'm still team. But Ashba, they should try and be civil at least towards each other, even if they meet in town. They don't know each other and just pass by. They should try and resolve it. But Amahle washo uba, well, I honestly don't have anything to say because kwi-diary zakhe washo uba yena akamthandi uTirelo and it's not like uzamthanda because ke uzele uMpumelelo yena apha. There's no need for uba ade athande uTirelo and she cannot even tolerate uTirelo. Yes, utshilo umamkhulu, she cannot tolerate uTirelo. But ke azame wethu uMpumelelo ichazele but no, they should get along since like they are starting this journey together. So next we see ke ngoku uMpumelelo uAmahle going to meet up with uBabazala uMosamseleko. So Amahle on the diaries Ashba, she was not expecting to see Seleko. I don't know by becinga bayaphi. So Mpumelelo nove angathi nje uyamkhupha on just a normal date just to end up surprising her ngubabazali. So they went in, they greeted and then sat down. Then Umelelo ayiqala ngoba ke, so dad, you remember I went to go and pay ilobola for someone, so this is the lady in question. So avuye kumseleka, oh my god, so this is you aphakame, and hands out isandla sakhe to shake her hand by yo, finally I met you and welcome. But I couldn't help to notice Amahle khangaphakami ngokumseleki yena phakamayo. She just sat there ugirl wa-extenda nje isandla sakhe pholile baye hi yebo, and ebengenaso nesimamva like engenayo ba yebo baba, nice to meet you too baba, nje yebo cha hayi. That is how she responded throughout this meeting. So this meeting was essentially about Musa trying to get the feel of what is actually happening and if Amahle is aware of what she actually got herself into, because he was asking him questions, but do you know like about this Thembu? Did he explain to you what he wants to do with SS Thembu? And the fact that sekuqalwe ngawe, does that mean uzoba ngumamkhulu ebebuzwa nakuMphumelelo? But Mpumelelo wathi yes, since sengiqale ngo-Amahle, so umamkhulu is going to uMabiyela. And Umseleko was so shocked about that. Esithi uba hayibo, so uMakhale, which is uTirelo, will no longer be umamkhulu. Athi uba no, since ifamily yakhe ingafuni uba ndimtshate, this whole situation with them fighting me, I cannot wait for them. Amahle will have to be umamkhulu and I've already went there. So Umseleko abuze ku-Amahle uba so wena uyafuna uba ngumamkhulu and how do you feel about this whole thing? So Amahle was there like esithi uba akayazi yena uba athini, because number one, she was not told into yoba uMphumelelo ufuna utshata uAmahle. Uye wathi ugel yena ushocked, uyaqala uyiva yonke le nto. But uMphumelelo wathi uba no, I told you uba I will be married noTirelo, so why is she acting shocked up? And we saw mos ngoku bemse for bowling utshilo uba noTirelo ufuna umtshata. So I don't know why ugel besenze ngathi everything is new to her ngoku athetha noMseleko. But ke why loo nto uba yena aka-understand uba kuthethwa ngantoni apha, and yena naye it's not like she wanted to be umamkhulu. Ebengenandaba noba kuqale bani, but naloo nto bengatsho uba makuqala uTirelo. But now since isekiwe kokwabo, so bazama uthini, bayichaza kanjani le nto, bazayitshintsha kanjani, because sekuyiwe kokwabo, essentially she is umamkhulu. So ke Umseleko athi no man, they'd like to speak alone with uMphumelelo. So Amahle, could she please excuse them for a few minutes ayohlala kwenye itafile? And we saw etshintsha apha ebusweni, she didn't like that idea uba yena uyakhutshwa apha esitulweni uyohlaliswa somewhere else. So they moved here to another table for the meantime. So Umseleko essentially wanted to know uba what is this plan yakhe uMphumelelo of wanting uMabiyela to be the first wife. And he even explained uba uMabiyela noba unguye umamkhulu akazohlala kakuhle with uTirelo being the second wife, because Tirelo was there way before her. So now that bazayijika ihamba kanjani, athi yena uMphumelelo uzawuqhubeka nale yoba uMabiyela abe ngu-first wife, because uTirelo le nto ye-positions is getting to her head, because now unalaa uba if akamtshati as the first wife, then it means that ebehlele ngafuni uba abe nguye umamkhulu. And if that is the situation, then it would be better if she just remained as the girlfriend, angasamtshata komtshati. And you see how she was fighting uVuyo, and uba why are you fighting for being umamkhulu? What are the benefits of being umamkhulu? Now why yena is she fighting for uba ngumamkhulu? Ziphinde zathi kanti zintoni benefits? Engaze bekhe wambuza mani uMphumelelo uba what are the benefits, why are you now fighting? And ke wabe explain le uba ifamily yakhe ihleli mos ingafuni uba makatshate, so he cannot be waiting for ifamily kaTirelo, yena he wants to start, so he is carrying on with uMabiyela. And Umseleko was also shocked by it. You see what is happening to you now? It's exactly what happened to me. Like, he was just shocked about how can it be so similar in the yamenzekelayo with his polygamy nayo when he was starting, because he initially wanted to marry uMayeni as his first wife, but the family didn't allow it. So waphetha echata uMacele, then uMayeni waba ngo-second wife, because they eventually allowed the situation to happen. So ingathi kuzakwenzeka the same thing with yena noTirelo, because uTirelo bekhe wenza i-live ngososishwami ingathi ifamily yakhe finally agreed ba atshate noMphumelelo, but bavume sekulate because ke uMphumelelo seyile uyobhatala kulo Amahle, so essentially umamkhulu seyekhona. So aphinde ke abuyise uMabiyela when they were done talking, athi kuMusi uba yena he's gonna leave them, they can still stay and enjoy their lunch, then ahambe. But ke nabo ke khabe besahlala, they just left. But Amahle Diaries besisho uba akayithandi into uba baye bamsusa etafuleni, because they could have spoken ekhona, or at least ke after le meeting yabo encinci baye bayifuna in private, bamxelele what was what it was about and what is the way forward from here, because now uconfused akayazi noba okay ke then ngoku uzobhatalelwa utirelwa ilobola then kuthiwe nguye umamkhulu, because I think kwayifamily yakhe sebemazi as Amahle umamkhulu. So this is just confusing nje, and naye akanazi answers to any of this, so I understand why she didn't like this whole situation. So now Yisu Abonge invited her siblings to come to Joburg to have some little vacation and stuff we do. So she invited them through a video. Door to door invite her. So they also responded in a video saying that no, they'll also be there. And ke abongo besithi ba akayazi ke Mpumelelo uba izawuthini into yakhe this time, akayazi noba uzawuza nomntu okanye uza nabantu, but ke uzawuba prepared for any surprise ngoba ke they cannot confirm Mpumelelo. And I think like mhlawumbi uzawuya nabo bobayi-2, but we'll see. But for now, it seems as if abantu baseJoburg ngoMpilo and uLwandle, so she decided to take them out to go and do yoga. But it was not the normal yoga le kubekwa inethi phansi and they stretch. It was le yoga intsha le abantu bajinga phezulu kwiintambo ezithile. So they're also doing that. And yeah, to my surprise, oyena mntu who was enjoying this whole session, it was uLwandle. uLwandle bengadingi noncediswa. Immediately that they got there, yena beseyikhwele ejinga eyishandeliya. Eyishandeliya ejinga pha, and uMpilo was having the worst time ever. Firstly, ibengayithembanga kwalento ajinga kuyo because she believes that she is a big girl and she is heavy. And naye besixa ikhwela and there would be some crackling happening, ngathi izowa i-roof azowa amaplanga. So she was really not comfortable. But yeah, they did that whole thing, and then later on they went to grab some coffee together. So during la chit chat yabo ke baqala ukuzana about dating life. uAbonge yena athi uba at the moment she's not seeing anyone because she doesn't want to pursue umuntu who's not in line with her dreams and goals or nje izinto ezenzayo right now. And the people that she keeps on meeting are just not aligned to izinto azifunayo. So she does not want to waste time. Then they asked Umpilo, I was Umpilo, but yo, I feel like I always have nothing to offer because really I'm still single, like there's nothing happening. My one problem is that I lack in the communication department. I cannot communicate and I easily give up. Once bengathi ikhona nje into esingavani ngayo, I am out of the door. Like I don't want to fix things nje kuyaphela. And then they come to uLwandle and ask ba wena ithini into, there were rumors ngathi uzaba nengane, baby and all that. Oh athi kuLwandle eish yabona lento guys iyangihlupha like ingiphatha kabi. So babuza ba hayibo like what is it? Athi ba kaloku lento yengane it turned out ba i-girl lied kwabe kuveza uba kwakuvele nakwi-magazines and stuff futhi isi-story sakhe uba there's a girl that he is dating and she lied about being pregnant with ingane kaLwandle. I think it's because ke ngumseleki wayefuna naye uba phakathi komseleki, so ifuna nje umbambisa ijazi because the baby was not his, it was someone else's. So besisho uba right now naye ke akalungi, but besisho uba no man, we're sorry about that, but soon uzomfuna umuntu o-right, we'll give you umntwana ongowakho umanyana. So now we see uTirelo and ubaba kasingabakho uMpumelelo. So they went out to go and play tennis. And they seem okay, like everything is nice and rosy. But with Darius, actually, but the last time they were together, they were like Tom and Jerry. They're not getting along. And I think it was that time that they had that dinner where Amahle was also present. So things were really not okay back then. But now, they play tennis and then they sit down to have a little chat. So Mpumelelo qala ngoba like, why did you have to go and report me to my father? And secondly, why did you talk ill of me in front of Amahle? What was that all about? Then uTirelo athi wait. Let's start with Lega Amahle. Amahle, what was she doing there first of all? Because I thought you called me there to have dinner with you so that we can talk about our issues and sort out the issues that we had. But then you decided to go and fetch your girlfriend, Njani, because you knew that we were not okay. So I was expecting that of you. So wofuna uthini? And instead, when you disrespected me in front of your girlfriend, what were you trying to prove? Were you trying to show her that when uyindoda? Like, what was that all about? Yeah. And you could see Mpumelelo is not happy about his Tirelo azithethayo, and on his diaries he even said that yeah, Tirelo is disrespectful. The tone nje and doesn't azithethayo is utter disrespect. And wangena kule ke yoba she decided to go and speak to uTata uMseleko. Well, I've been talking to your mother about issues zethu, but she suggested that I go and speak to your dad because she does not know as shenanigans unazo, and the only person that you share your things with was Ubaba Mseleko. So maybe he'll be able to help me in this situation, and that is why I went to speak to your dad. And ke nyhani, it seems as if nyhani ebezazi because he is the one ebendixelela nangezinto zakho amahle. So that is essentially why I went to him. But ke Umza was not happy about that. But ke yaphela apho episode. But we were shown on what is still to happen on next week. So next week it seems as if it's still going to get heated as Mpumelelo ezambuza uba ke ngoku, so it's any way forward. Your parents or your people ready? Because I have my people now and ready bona. They can come and start with ilobola negotiations. But Tirelo Ashba, no, they are still not okay. So Mpumza athi ke mna ke, I will not wait for your family. Into endizayenza kuqhubeka and ndigqibe ngento kaAmahle. And ingathi kuzakhona meeting wethu with Umseleko and all his children about izinto ezenzekileyo. I think it's some izinto ezawukwenzeka eJoburg and nento kaTirelo engathi girl is going to get drunkins. Ngoku apha eMzumbe ehamba no Snare and noMpilo, engathi uMpilo was also with them. So nje akho cute and sazogowa uTirelo. Uyaveza ke ekhala, akakhala ugirl, uthetha noba uMseleko uba yena she can no longer force herself to be in this relationship, like she is done. Ayiwanda kwenzeka into this time, akakhali. Imagine sowuyokhalela kanje kuba uMseleko ngoba yemgezela ka uVuyo esithi she's desperate. uVuyo zange ade ayokhala kutata uMseleko noko. Hi, she was never that desperate. Hi, she is desperate. Hi, but guys, tell me your thoughts in the comment section down below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.